To boot the console into maintenance mode, simply unplug the HICO USB on the side and power off the machine by hitting the emergency stop. Turn the machine back on, and it will now boot into maintenance mode. Once the console has logged in, simply click Administrator and click Next. To replace a tracer on the machine, go to Setup, Utility, then Replace Tracer. Touch Yes. And then remove the tracer with the T-wrench while holding the tracer in place. Once it's loose, pull out the tracer. Then hit OK on the screen. And install the new tracer. Push it all the way up and lock it back into place. Then hit OK. Once the tracer has been replaced, we have to do some calibrations. Hit Back, go to Calibrations, then do Tracer Setup. First, you will need to insert the calibration template. Insert it all the way and lock it in place. Hit Start on the screen and then lower the tracer knob. Unscrew it and let it go all the way down. Hit OK on the screen. Now we're going to remove the cutter. Take your T-wrench, unscrew the cutter. Pull out the cutter. Hit OK on the screen. Then reinsert the cutter calibration tool. Push it all the way up and tighten the screw. Hit OK. Now close the shield. Now you need to lift the tracer all the way up and to the right. Hit OK. Now close the shield. This step is complete. Now hit Save. Then go back and select Tracer Adjustment. Keeping the calibration template inserted, hit Start. Now remove the cutter calibration tool. And reinsert the cutter. Push it all the way up and lock it into place. Hit OK on the screen. And close the shield. Lift the shield, move the tracer over to the left, and drop it on top of the calibration template. Then lock it into place. Once this is complete, you need to calibrate the jaws. Hit back. Go to Jaw Setup, select the jaw you'd like to calibrate, and then hit Start. Make sure all the chips are removed from the jaw and the tracer, then hit OK. Once this calibration is complete, hit Save. Repeat the jaw setup for all available jaws. To boot the console back into server mode, simply replug in the high-co USB. Power off the machine by the emergency stop, and then power it back on. When booting the Sidewinder Konnect Plus into server mode, make sure the shield is closed. Once server started is displayed on the console, the Sidewinder Konnect Plus is back in server mode and is ready for use.